Hello, at Casa we follow our philosophy that every waste can become a new resource. This is especially noticed in developing new products of our own brand. As a sustainable plastic manufacturer, we do not only create innovative products made from recycled materials, but also make sure that these products play an important role in saving the global environmental problems. Maybe you are still not aware of it, but organic waste has become a huge issue in recent years. 57% of organic waste is not recycled. It ends up in landfills. Due to chemical reactions, it releases tons and tons of greenhouse gas emissions to the atmosphere, leading to climate changes that simply cannot be ignored. We are proud to announce the launch of our new product that represents a part of continued on-brand product line towards a more eco-friendly and healthier future. Besides our Bukashi Organko composters, we set their smaller cousin, Organko Daily, designed based on insights of our customers that we studied carefully. Organko Daily is a perfect bin for collecting organic waste on a daily basis and thus supports responsible and sustainable organic waste handling. Its main characteristics are results of listening to our customers and profound analysis. Organko Daily is easy to clean, as all parts are dishwasher safe. You simply disassemble the cover and put it into the dishwasher. It's made from post-consumer recycled plastic, so by using it, you take care of two things: less discarded plastic and consistent recycling of organic waste. Organko Daily is designed to offer a better user experience, as it has a one-hand emptying feature. You see how simple it is? Organko Daily supports a circular story of organic waste. Collect organic waste in the daily, and once a day empty it into the Bukashi Organko composters, where food ferments and becomes first-class compost base.
So Organko Daily is a profitable and at the same time sustainable product that will be a must-have on your store shelves from now on. And don't worry about the marketing materials. Our marketing department has prepared everything you need in order to sell it successfully. Image and product photos, leaflets, excellent video content, blogging plan, campaigns, and many more. As our partner, you get access to the Content Hub, a cloud where all the materials are stored and regularly updated. We take care of you and you take care of your customers. And together, let's take care of our precious planet. Let's handle organic waste responsibly. Contact our sales team for more information and the possibility of increasing your sales with this sustainable product. Thank you for believing in us.